Drew and I are both going to flip a coin at the same time. And we're going to use this example to give you a better understanding of the strategy set and the first fundamental counting principle. So we're going to flip the coin. And here the outcome is tails, tails. You want to write that down? The full strategy set is heads, 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 tails, tails, heads, and tails, tails. Each of these occurring with probability 0.25. The probability that Drew and I get the same outcome, i.e. heads, heads, or tails, tails, occurs with probability 0.5. So if we played 3 rounds, my strategy set, not including his, is heads, 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 tails, heads, tails, heads, heads, tails, 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 heads, heads, tails, heads, tails, 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 and tails, tails, heads. As you can see, there are 8 potential outcomes in this strategy space. We could also use the what is it called? The fundamental counting principle to calculate the number of potential outcomes. For doing this, we use the number of outcomes from round 1 times the number of outcomes from round 2 times the number of outcomes from round 3 to count the total number of outcomes from 3 rounds, which equals 2 times 2 times 2, or 8. And luckily, we get the same result if we write them out and count them, or if we just use the fundamental counting principle. Yay!